Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Paramount local and long-distance movers near me. With the help of a long-distance moving company, you can move one state over or across the entire country. Our team makes moving days super simple with the right services for your needs. Whether you're moving 100 miles away or 2,500 miles away, we make your move easier. Our team provides all the basic moving services and much more. Some of the additional services we offer include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. With a California moving company, you get the right help for your local move. Our team will provide you with the necessary services to save you time. Even if you're just moving down the road, it's a big job. You have to pack up, load up, move, and unpack everything. With our help, you don't have to do all the heavy lifting. 3 Movers streamlines the entire moving process. We offer the best team ready to pack you up and get you moved into your new place faster. A move that would take you all weekend, we can handle in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Paramount moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.